Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I did want to make a quick video on how to make the Barbie sign if you don't have a laser or CNC. So there's a couple of different options. I've actually have some videos on here that you can actually look on how I made those signs, how I've made from like happy birthday and things like that. So you can actually go that route. You can actually make it out of vinyl. So say you have a Cricut machine or you have a friend or someone that has a Cricut machine. This is actually one of the easiest routes that if not, you can even just print it on a piece of paper, have them print it big. Once you get that file, you can actually do a lot of things with it. You can actually take it to a print shop like UPS or Kinko's and have them print it to the size you want, and then you can just put it on a poster board or any type of thick cardboard, kind of trace and cut out. That is a lot more difficult and a lot more time consuming if you don't have these type of tools, but definitely that's just another option you can do. I'm going to show you on here how I actually just made one using my Cricut machine. I really don't use the Cricut machine too much anymore. And then also another option that a lot of people don't really look at is you can go to Instagram or even Etsy, and a lot of other people, makers, who will make these signs free. That's all they do is make these signs. So you can ask them, I'm just looking for the Barbie sign, or you can look for on Etsy. A lot of people sell those SVG files or any of those type of files that have the Barbie on there. You can download it, take it to a print shop and ask them to do it. You can have them printed on chloroplast or any type of plastic. You can order them wood from like a sign shop. You can, if you look on Instagram, a lot of makers specialize in those signs. But really on Etsy, you can look and you'll find there's so many people who make those type of signs. For the party box that I made, I didn't want to include, I didn't include the stencil or anything like that, and that's just something that I chose not to do. You can get that anywhere. I just wanted to show you, these are a couple of options you can do. I'm going to show you how we make it on the Cricut. And here I use the Cricut machine, and when I did the Barbie, I did not use transfer tape. I had been a while and I was like, I could just knock this out real quick. That was a big mess. But later on, when you see me, I'm doing the Mattel. When I'm making the Mattel, I'm using the transfer tape, and you can see the difference transfer tape does. So if you do the Cricut route, transfer tape for sure. But it's not a lot of hard. It's not hard. I just want to kind of give you a process of all the different options that you can do. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll try my best to help out. Alright, this is the one I actually like the way it came out. Instead of trying to trace the whole thing, I kind of just traced along the shape, and I think that would like look awesome once it's put in there. So way easier, the vinyl came out way better. So definitely like the way this came out. Oh, check out the top. I almost like this Mattel better than the one I made. Man, this came out really nice, the vinyl. So if that's your only option or something, this is a pretty good option just to do vinyl from a Cricut or anyone you can get a hold of. I know there's a lot of people online from Etsy to Instagram, a lot of different vinyls. Just let them know what you're doing it for, and this is a really good option. Just vinyl on some cardboard. Worked out really great. You put it here. You can even put it with Velcro if you like and take it off, just in case later on maybe someone wants the same thing but with a name or something. Yeah, great option. Just want to say thanks for watching. Hopefully some of this is helpful for when you're building your box. Really, there's just a lot of options depending on what's kind of around you, or from the Cricut machine to a CNC to a laser to just ordering the sign so you don't have to deal with it. Hope this video helped out. I'll catch you on the next one.